have on tap for the new trading week. We're live back at the stock exchange trading floor. Rotimi Fakayejo from Enterprise Stockbrokers is live to us this morning. Rotimi, it's good to have you back on the block. This is a brand new week. Let's put last week behind us, unless we have any baggage or garbage to take forward. But what will be new in the current week?
Well, we always look forward to new things happening, but there is no way we can do without the baggage, because the baggage determines what happens going forward. So with the relapse of last week, it's still very difficult to come out of it, and the Osher index year to date is 11% negative, and so this morning we are at 0.23% negative presently. But it's most likely that we'll get out of it and the market may look better. It's actually the banking sector stock that has brought down the market this morning, especially, most especially Zenith Bank. But I believe that the price will even up as trading continues, and we may see a better bargain as the trading continues as well.
Is there anything in our earnings box that is hanging in there, or is going to be all the insurance guys that's going to be the focus for the week, or you folks are just going to wait and hope that manna falls from heaven?
Well, there is hardly any major result pending except for a few banking sector stocks, and they've not really been particular about the exact time they're going to send in those results. But for the insurance companies, is the news that is raving right now, and we believe that more things will come up. But the most important thing to note is that the very stable insurance companies still remain very stable, and they're profiting, making profit, and at the same time giving good returns to their investors. So it's only the very shaky ones, or the ones that don't know whether they're going to reclassify or merge with other ones, that are actually not certain what they are. Most of them have not brought their year, quarter two results, that is the half year. And we're expecting that they may do that shortly in order for them to have a good, better pricing whenever they decide to do anything.
Finally, Rotimi, are you folks watching your contestants on the political space from your local government, your state, your senatorial districts, more than you're watching the stock ticker? Because if nothing else is happening there, at least you can get yourself involved and get to know who's representing you or who has picked up whatever form, who is going to Congress and who is not. Will politics be a distraction, or will be a pastime for you stockbrokers if you have nothing else to do?
Well, that happens once in a while, even all of the time, because the activities right now are very low, so there is enough time for side talks concerning politics. The focus is right there very much, but the most important thing, again, is that what happens in the political space come back to affect us here. So what we tell ourselves is that we need to get involved. Even if you are not partisan, you need to be there when they are doing the voting, and you need to cast your vote for the person that you believe can deliver. And we've seen so much happening in our market that is very negative. We hope that the new set of people, or if the present set is continuing, that they will change gear and they will do the needful to move the economy forward.
Thank you very much. We all cross our fingers and wait for our political leaders. Thank you very much, Rotimi Fakayejo from Enterprise Stockbrokers. And that's it for today on Your Business Morning. Let's see you together tomorrow, Tuesday, the 11th of September. Bye for now.